Reka nongere nguhe ikaze wowe udukurikiye kuri Teladig News TV, umuyoboro w'amakuru ku rubyiruko. Amazina yanjye ni Redemptus Hirwa. Inkuru nkuzaniye mu cyumweru gishize nta kindi cyari kiri kuvugwa uretse Kigali Fashion Week yongeye kuba uyu mwaka. Ibi birori byo kwerekana imideri bibangaruka mwaka buri gihe byari ibirori byatunguye benshi. Ni ibirori byagaragayemo ingeri zigiye zitandukanye, dore ko abana berekanye imideri bakiri bato, kandi hanagaragaramo impunzi zituruka mu nkambi ya Mahamba. Iyi nkambi ibarizwamo impunzi z'abarundi zahungiye mu Rwanda. Haje no kugaragaramo imyambarire idasanzwe, abenshi bavuze ko yerekana ubusa. Ni mu gace bari bagezemo aho baba bagiye kwerekana imyambaro yo kurarana, maze bamwe batangira gusohoka bambaye imyenda ibambika ubusa. Rero twabakusanyirije amwe mu mashusho y'uko ibyo birori byari bimeze, dore ko ari n'ibirori bashinja ko hagaragayemo ubwitabire bwari buke. Umwanya n'uwawe urebe ukuntu byari byifashe muri Kigali Serena Hotel ubwo Kigali Fashion Week yabaga uyu mwaka wa 2018.
Enough for you to taste, but you just can't touch. You wanna share the world, but no one knows your name yet. You need to run and wear it, how you gonna make it? You know you can, if you get the chance. In your face seems the door keeps slamming. Now you're feeling more and more frustrated, and you're getting all kind of impatient. Waiting, we live and we learn to take one step at a time. There's no need to rush. It's like learning to fly or falling in love. It's gonna happen when it's supposed to happen, and we find the reasons why, one step at a time. You believe and you doubt, you're confused and got it all figured out. Everything you
Thank you, Lord. Thank you very, very much.
I promise you know what I'm asking might be too much to do. I'm not one for begging, but when it comes to you, things change. Won't you please forgive me?
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Police Collection finale.
Would you please forgive me? Would you please forgive me? Not one for begging, but when it comes to you, things change. Won't you please forgive me? Would you please forgive me?
Put your hands together for the Police Collection finale. This is inspired by this is basically classic summer wear by Rupari. Classic summer wear. Let's put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Rupari's collection. And Rupari has